Oh yeah. That money, right? It's coming. It is coming. But anyways, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please understand that this, my friends, is not financial advice. You are more than free to do whatever you like with your money. And so am I. And that being said, let's grab a sip of water because it's hot outside from my Caspa Maxi mug. Yeah, everything, guys, definitely everything tastes better with Caspa. Today we're about to do the same thing we do every day. First, we look at market performance. We look at market performance for the past 24 hours. After that, we check out prices in details. And right after that, we check on our positions. Are we buying Lambos yet? I don't know about you, but I can see that Bentley already. Anyways, guys. Before we do that, again, some people, I don't know, if you read the Bible, I don't know, like everybody's free to believe in whatever they want to, but I'm a Christian. And again, when you read the Bible, there is a story there that usually catches my attention, and it happens a lot. It happens a lot in our lives. You remember when Jesus resurrected from the dead, okay? All his disciples, they came along because the stone was pushed and he was out of the grave and all that stuff. When he came back and showed himself to them, this guy, he was like, nah, you ain't gonna lie to me, that ain't you. The guy like, listen, I got the wounds in my hand. Look at that, the nails were in there. And he like, that he go, you ain't gonna lie to me, player. Bring your hand here, let me stick my finger in there. Every time I see that story, I look at people around here, around me, and it makes me laugh. It makes me laugh because it's the same situation, okay? You've been telling people you want to be rich, right? You want to be wealthy, not just for you, generational wealth. Wealth for you, for your kids' kids, or whatever you want to do. You want to do that, okay? You missed Bitcoin. You missed it because Bitcoin, or even though it was the testnet for Caspa, but if you would have bought, let's say 2013, 2014, when Bitcoin was like what, $20 or something like that, if you would have bought Bitcoin, which I am one of them, if I would have bought Bitcoin by then, let's just say you just put in 10 grand, I mean 2 or 3 grand in it. Right now, this 9 to 5, I wouldn't have it, okay? But life always has a funny way of doing things, okay? Life always offers opportunity, and it's not just for everybody. Life always offers opportunity to everybody who is looking for it, okay? It might come, like I said, like this. Blessings don't always come in the same way. Blessings comes in different ways. It might be, okay, your blessing might come just by listening to me, MMJ, or your blessing might come by you just getting up out of your house today, and instead of you was about to take a cab, but you missed that cab. By the time you get into the bus, your blessing might be in that bus. You never know, okay? That is the same situation we're going on right now with Caspa. Everybody wanted to be rich. You miss Bitcoin. You miss gold. When an ounce of gold was like $100, $200, you missed it because right now it is up there 3 grand. You missed it. But again, life has that funny ways of always giving you that opportunity if you are looking to do something. Okay, those of us, which again, I know a lot of you will think that because I have 30 Bitcoin, I am rich. And I'm telling you I'm not, because that's not the way I want to. Because 30 Bitcoin is not enough wealth for me and my children and the next generations to come. Because What I want is not just for me to live comfortably. No, I want that when I'm long gone from this earth, people look at my descendants and they remember their great-great-great-grandfather used to be on YouTube, and this is how this wealth started. That's what I'm looking for. If I was just looking for money for myself, yeah, 30 Bitcoin would have been enough for me to live this 9 to 5 and get the hell out, but it's not. Like I told you, if you did not come from a rich or a millionaire family has to come from you. You have to make that. You have to make that decision. And my friends, that is the decision I made. Okay? I made that decision that a millionaire family has to come from me because I did not come from one. Okay? So, back to what we are talking about. Life has a way of giving you opportunities. Has a way. If you're looking to be rich, you might miss this one, might miss the other one, might miss this, but there's always one time that it give you again, give you that chance. If you miss it again, you have nobody else to blame. Okay? So, those of us looking for generational wealth, we missed it on Bitcoin, we missed it on gold. I have gold, but it's not enough. And now Caspa shows up again. And I've been telling you guys, generational wealth is on that thing. I'm not your financial advisor, but I always say it, wink, wink, Caspa. I'll be like, hey, Grand Frère, Caspa, look over there. And then people still gonna miss it. A couple of months ago, I had this argument on one of my videos with one of the people, which again, he became so rude I had to block him out because he did not like the point that I said Solana is going to drown when Caspa goes live. He didn't like that. Okay? And what I was talking about, I think 6-7 months ago, has started happening. You remember Solana has this project they call Solana Solana Pay or something like that. They have it. Now, somebody has already started building the same thing. Okay? He's waiting now once Caspa smart contracts go live, his goes live. Now, you tell me between Sol Pay and Caspa, I think he's going to call it Caspa, which of them will perform better? Solana crashes the entire time. Solana is so slow compared to Caspa. You've seen the videos everywhere, seen them on YouTube. Okay? Solana is not secure as Caspa is. There is so many things that Caspa is way better than Solana. Now, if you build that same project on Caspa, I'm telling you, it is going to perform way better. And now, those of them using it, good. Those of us holding Caspa, even better, because all the transaction fees for that thing to work, you will have to use Caspa. And that is not the only project. You guys do remember there is, I don't know what name of them, the name of the, excuse me, let me turn this down. I always forget to do this. Let me turn it down. There's a name of a wallet. I don't know if it is Phantom wallet. One of the people talking about is the best wallet right now. Phantom or Item, something like that. Best wallet that they are comparing it, that is the best things since the invention of sliced bread. Okay? Now, watch. There is a project coming on Caspa called Currency with a K. Canadian guy is doing this. A wallet, okay, that does everything in one single push. You see, I told you, those projects are going to start coming. If these guys don't migrate, somebody else will go on Caspa and do it. Now, even if you use that, is it Phantom? I forget what the name of the wallet is. So if anybody remember, please just put it on the comments below. For you to use even that, you have to go, you hook up to the exchange, hook up to this one. You complete over 3 or 4 transactions before you complete whatever you're trying to do. But currency is going to be one click does everything, and fast, secure, and scalable. I'm telling you, these things, nobody's looking at it, but it is about to happen. Casplex testnet is live. Very soon, we will see the thing will go to mainnet, and once mainnet start to happen, you will see people start to build. And then Another thing that people are not paying attention, these meme coins on Casplex, they are about to go crazy. I don't promote Bitcoin. I don't promote meme coins. For me, it's I don't know. I don't even know how to qualify this, but I don't promote them. Still, you see the scale of how the hype on Sol Crashilandia that meme coins have. You are about to see that times 100 on this Casplex meme coin. You will see. Don't say I didn't warn you. You will see. And on top of that, we have that Egra lab. Like I told you, it ain't gonna take no years. Egra lab has already announced that they are coming up with their testnet. It has already started to happen. I'm telling you guys, this is another reason why I keep saying the only coin that will be running towards the end of the year or the beginning of 2026 is going to be Caspa, because the way the development is happening makes like it's following that trajectory. Okay, you see it today. I was listening to this guy talk about Bitcoin $250,000. I said, holy Jesus. Many people are going to get left holding the hot potato. Many people, because things like that are what, like, I don't know how to explain it. Last run they were talking about Bitcoin to 150,000, and I told them, and I came out and I said, I was telling my friends, like, listen, I don't think it will get there. I'm getting out of my trades when time comes. I got out of my trade at $68,000 or $69,000. That's when I got out. Everybody, you too early. Look at that, it's going 72, 73,000. I said that's okay, but it ain't gonna go farther. At 74, the market crashed. Okay, the same thing is happening right now. Everybody and their grandmama is telling everybody, look at Paulo, Bitcoin is going to go to $250,000, $300,000. And what they're not paying attention is the macroeconomy. Well, a lot of people are going to get left holding that hot potato. What I can tell you is, like, we're going step by step in this my millionaire journey. Like I said, July, August, we look at entire markets. We reevaluate. If there is still bullish momentum, we keep our positions open. If there is no bullish momentum left, time to close shop. That's how simple it is. Okay, because there are things I'm looking at that are making me believe that July, August, I don't know. We will start monitoring the market closer. Okay, there are things I'm looking at. But anyways, now I was almost slide on because I just thought about this guy, and it kind of gets me. You know, you guys know I do not like a situation where people lose money. I don't like it. But anyway, almost like when I went sidetracked a little bit. Anyways, now back to Caspa, which again, I am telling you, you are going to see those green candles, the one you're looking for so badly right now. If you just have a little bit of patience, you are about to see it. I told you May 5th marked the beginning of that journey to $10. That's what I told you guys. Okay, I have my price actions. The price that I'm looking at on Caspa, 3, 5, 7, 10. Those are the price targets I'm looking at. Okay, but anyways, if you look at it now, look at Egra, because like everybody else, okay, everybody and their grandmama, they kept saying no, but yet let's see right quick. Here, see Egra lab. Let's go search for it. Where is Egra lab? Come on people. If you search on Twitter, you find Egra labs right there. You're about to see the announcement they make. Caravel is coming. Caravel is the name of their testnet. As you guys can see, they announced this 1 day ago. Okay, if you open it, you will see that the date is already set, mid-July. You can go on Twitter yourself and you can see it by yourself. Mid-July, Caravel is going live. Okay, which means you're about to have all that bullishness come to Caspa. And this is just Egra alone, in which again, you see infrastructure by releasing nodes clients. Okay, we're going to have L1 to L2 conical bridge. We're going to have protocols for lighter nodes. We're going to have DAO governance and forward compatibility with ZK execution clients. So yeah, I'm telling you, this is happening. And this right there, I told you, the road to $10 started May 5th. Look at Caspa's price. Okay, as you can go. It's a long. I'm not gonna read it for all. I'm not gonna read everything, but you can see. So everything is happening, and it's just the testnet is not even gonna take them that long. I'm telling you, it's not gonna take them that long to complete. Okay, because they have everything. Look at that, Bitcoin grade security. That's another thing I keep telling you. This store of value nonsense that everybody else is talking about, Bitcoin, is about to get thrown out the window. Okay, it's about to get thrown out of the window. Have trustless and censorship resistance, which is, again, that's what we want to see. We have Bitcoin grade security, unlocking Caspa, and you have fairness and resistance to front running. Again, this is something, again, all this like bots that you always have to try to front run and all that stuff, you're not going to have that on Caspa. And this is exactly the definition of what crypto should be. Okay, this is exactly the definition of what crypto should be. You have no democratization and diversification. Again, you are not going to have one person running all the nodes, like messing with the security, even though it's not on Caspa itself. Everything built on Caspa is going to run different. I am telling you. You look at this. Governed by community. Okay, future-proof design. Amen. ZK rollups. I'm telling you, man, this thing is about to take blockchain to another level. And again, everybody will call me crazy when I tell you all these layer ones, Ethereum, XRP, whatever you want to call them, Crashilandia, Hackilandia, they all have their days numbered. They have their days numbered. If you know how Caspa is going to work, I'm telling you, developers are not stupid. Like the few examples I just gave you, you're about to see how they're going to start losing money once the competition goes live on Caspa. And everybody else is looking at this. DeFi is going to be something else. Okay, yesterday I told you the rumors have started that Quant is about to migrate once Caspa gets those smart contracts, either by Egra or by Sparkle. I think it's by Egra, because Sparkle is going to be more of a traditional ways going on blockchain. Okay, a lot of people are not paying attention to this. And if you could see how Crashilandia got from what? Well, from $10 million to whatever billions of dollars market cap that it is right now, that model is what Caspa is using. And it's going to work even more. That's why I'm telling you that wealth you're looking for is right there, right under your nose. And it costs like what, 8-9 cents right now. Before May 5th, I told you 10,000 Caspas. They were costing what, $500? How much are they costing today? By the end of July, watch how much they're going to cost. The time is running out and people are not paying attention. And again, life has a funny ways of giving you those second chance opportunities. If you don't take them, you don't blame nobody else for it. You understand? So yeah, me, I don't know about you, because again, I'm not your financial advisor. Okay, I am only showing you guys what I am doing. So far, the coins that we talked about in this my millionaire journey, they have begun to show their fangs. Right? You see Quanti. You see Quanti, right? Quanti. It has beginning to show. Caspa is gonna do the same. Cubic, you will see. Okay? Because again, everybody here talking about maybe I'm delusional and all that stuff. Okay, that's fine by me. I will accept it. But time will come when this delusional guy will sit here and laugh the living Jesus out of you. I'm already laughing at those who are calling for a $10 quant. I'm already laughing at them right now. Imagine what I will do when Caspa starts to cross $2, $3, $5, $7. Oh la la. Oh mon frère, oh la la. $10. Oh shit, Jesus. Oh mon Dieu. We start going. Oh, $20. I'm telling you, that time is coming. Because again, everybody's going to realize that Ethereum, Crashilandia, Hackilandia, the Tron, all of them are full of crap. And the only layer one you need is Caspa. You will see it. Okay? You will see it. And by then, that 10,000 Caspa I'm asking you, okay? I'm asking you right now. Say, Caspa, just get 10,000 of them. By then, 10,000 Caspas will be like, I don't know, like I'm telling somebody now, I own 30 Bitcoins and they don't believe me. That is what 10,000 Caspa will be like. When you tell somebody, hey, I have 10,000 Caspas, they'll be like, yeah, whatever. When you tell somebody, I bought 10,000 Caspa for $1,000, everybody be like, yeah, you couldn't do that. Okay? Because people are different. People will sell, trying to make money, which again, is not a bad thing. Sell if you want to, if you buy it right now. But people like me, I'm looking for generational wealth. Okay? Even if my Caspa goes up there $10 million, I'm still not going to sell that thing. I have other ways of making money, and that's what I'm doing. Okay, you guys already seen my positions, right? That's the way I'm doing it. So, what I'm trying to tell you today on this our little pep talk is pay attention, because life has a funny way of giving you a second chance. If you miss Bitcoin, if you miss gold, you should not miss Caspa. I'm telling you this as a friend, not as a financial advisor, okay? You should not miss Caspa, because Caspa is one that short term, yeah, we're looking probably what, $2, $3, $4, who knows? Long term, you're looking at this thing $10 before you even say, trust me, I want to see how everything is going to react once Sparkle, Egra, Casplex, those migrations are out. I'm telling you, you might even see Caspa at $10 in 2026. You might see it, because it is going to be crazy. Just watch and see once Casplex goes live. That should give you an idea of what is going to come with Egra Lab and Sparkle. That should give you an idea, because I'm telling you, Sparkle will bring in the gigawatt, okay, which we already know how many trillions of dollars worth is that asset class. It's going to bring out the cash unions. Okay, it's going to bring out, man, it's going to be crazy. It's going to be, well, you will watch and see. It's going to happen, okay? Anyways, now, let's go right quick. Let's go look at the market. Let's see how the market has been performing for the past 24 hours. To do that, we are going to need our good friend, our crypto bubbles, which is this one right here. Again, see? This yeah, money is gonna trickle down, right? I told you, your money is on utility coins. Forget about these meme coins and all this nonsense. Your money is on utility coins, okay? But anyways, what do I know, right? People will still doubt it regardless. But anyways, let's look at first King Kaspa, KAS, which is this one right here. For the past hour, 1.2% down, 0.9% down on the day, laying flat on the week, 19.5% down on the month, and 44.3% down on the year, sitting at a market cap of $2.29 billion and a 24 hours volume traded at $55.66 million. Okay, now let's go look at coin, QNT, the banker's coin, okay, and the coin a lot of people love to hate. 0.7% up the last hour, 1% up on the day, 12.8% up on the week, 24.1% up on the month, and 44.3% up on the year, sitting at the market cap of $1.75 billion and the 24 hours volume traded at $26.43 million. Okay, see, I told you. Okay, now we go look at Cubic, high risk, high reward. We have here 0.2% up the last hour, 5.9% up on the day, 3.4% up on the week, 3.8% up on the month, and 51% down on the year. See, I told you that number, right? It was 55 or 56 yesterday. See that yearly? It has beginning to come down. That means, yeah, you're about to see it. Sitting at a market cap of $181.65 million and a 24 hours volume traded at $2.76 million. Okay, looking at Jasmine, the Japanese Bitcoin, what do we have going on? 0.3% down the last hour, 1.7% up on the day, 3.5% down on the week, 23% down on the month, and 61.6% down on the year, sitting at a market cap of $703.25 million and a 24 hours volume traded at $22.58 million. Now let's look at the big guy, the orange guy. See here, 0.1% up the last hour, 2% up on the day, okay, 3.8% up on the week, 5% up on the month, and 56.5% up on the year, sitting at a market cap of $2.16 trillion and a 24 hours volume traded at $29.94 billion. So yeah, as you can see, yesterday, my wink, I know my TA is not that beautiful like a lot of people that would draw you Fibonacci's and all these Albert Einstein's lines and all that stuff. It's not that pretty. I have a simple way of looking at the market, and those of you who look at those wink, I'm only explaining it, and if you can see it, you'll make money with it, okay? But anyways, it's up to you. I'm not your financial advisor, okay? You can use it if you want to. If you don't, yeah, it's still the same for me. Anyways, now let's go look at trading view right quick. Let me show you, let's see, trading view right here. What are we having? Dixie going down, Bitcoin going up. Exactly, that's what we want to see. We want to see an inverse correlation between the US dollar and the Bitcoin. That's what you want to see, which means now Bitcoin momentum is real. Anyways, now if you go into the charts, we see we're gonna start with our King Caspa. Let me take this out on the 1 hourly. See, yesterday, like I was telling you guys, look at this. Caspa is forming a little bull flag again. See, ribbon pointing up. I told you guys, okay, ribbon pointing up. We went and tried the moving average. This usually happens when there is bullish momentum. Price always gets attracted to the moving average, and that's what you're looking at. I'm not a day trader, so the 1 hour really is not useful to me. I'm only doing this for those of you who are day traders, and which you can see again, like I told you guys yesterday, perfect W. Look at the ribbon. It is still red, but it has begun to squeeze. It's begun to curve upwards. This, my friends, usually usually shows that the price is about to take off. That's what it means. It's going upwards, okay? For me, again, we retested the resistance, and now up we are going. That's what I'm trying to tell you, okay? Now, again, if you want to, take the trade. If you don't want to, don't take it. It's up to you, okay? If you're gonna do this, like I always do, I usually scale up my trade to make sure my liquidation is too low, as you guys can see in all my trades anyways. So if you look at it on the daily, you will see this again. See, I told you, even with the ribbon turning red, look at the days, look at the candles. The candles have started to turn green, which means this fake out, it was just a problem between our trumpitious magician and his little leprechaun, who were having bickering at each other. That's what this happened. So you're about to see the price start to go back up where it's supposed to. Therefore, look at, we have 1, 2, 3 days already turning green, and the week just started. Okay, this thing is about to go even higher. Anyways, now if you look at it on the weekly, let's see. Weekly, you have the same thing. Okay, it was a falling wedge. Look, broke out. Now we have let me bring my arrow out. I think that should show you way better. Let me put it here. We have a bull flag forming on the weekly, which means now, see, we broke out. Now we are having resistance. Now let's see how this happens. This is going to break again. Target for this bull flag, we can calculate it if you want to do that. Let's see, trend lines. Let me grab a trend line right quick. You can see, let's say from the breakout, which is from here all the way to the target that was there. Okay, now let's clone this thing. If you clone it right here, we can grab it. Come on. This is just a problem right here. Hold on, let me use my S Pen. My S Pen should do better. Should do a better job than my fingers. So yeah, let's grab this guy. There. This is here. Come on, I want to grab the entire thing, not just half of it. Here. I'm so used to my older phone that this thing is a problem. Oh man, this is really a problem. But anyways, let's see. I'm trying to do it in a way that I can show it to you, but I'm still not getting used to this damn phone. But anyways, let me put it a little bit outside. Let's try to take the same length, which is there. Okay, now see that length? If we grab it, come on. Now he's doing this. I hate this phone. But anyways, yeah, it's gonna take too much time. Excuse me. There. Ooh, finally. So if I zoom out, you see, it is taking it exactly where I've been telling you guys that this is going to go. Let me bring out my arrow right quick. It's exactly where I've been telling you guys for day after day that this is going to go to all-time high and price discovery, right? See, that's the same arrow from the beginning to there, and this one goes all the way. Oh, come on. Oh, I hate this phone. Ay. So you see, let me bring my arrow right here, right there. See, from the bottom to the top, and then if you put that in the breakout point, look at where it's taking it. Exactly all-time high. So this big bull flag that we are busy forming is what is going to lead Caspa to. Okay, that's where it's going to go. We're about to see this thing happen. Anyways, now let's go right quick. Let's go look at Quant, QNT. Quanti. Let's go look at Quanti right quick. Let's go Quanti. Where's Quanti at? Right here. QNT USDT. There you go. See, I was telling you guys yesterday, and that tip, I don't know. That's why I usually say, like, I give you this wink. Take your time if you want to take it. If you don't want to take it, I don't know what to tell you. And this is on the 1 hourly, okay? If you do remember, okay, 1 hour, this thing was just yesterday acting like it's about to break out. And I kept saying, hey, pay attention, because that 125, that is exactly the target that we're going, and people didn't pay attention to it. If you look at it on the 4 hourly, look at it on the 4 hour right quick, and you see it has started moving, right? We have started to go because we have a target to to get to. Now everybody's gonna call me crazy, and again, like I told you, this is still within the trade. You guys already know, like I always said, in every trade, okay, in every trade, we have before the trade, during the trade, and after the trade. Right now, Quant is during the trade. That's what it is doing, okay? Because if you pay attention to this, look, we had a target. You see, you remember that, you see that yellow line, right? That yellow line, like I told you guys, it was going. It is going. A target first, we're going to have a resistance somewhere around that $125. That is where we have to look. Those of you who want to enter trades, yeah, that's a good place for you to look for an entry. That maybe you hit that 125, or then have a rejection, come back a little bit, or we will hit it and go sideways a little bit before taking off again. That is what Quant is doing. Okay, look at my white line. Okay, you remember when we broke out the first white line? Let me bring my arrow out. Let me come on, I don't want you here. Let me bring my arrow out right quick, right there. The first breakout was this one. When I told you guys about it, we broke out, we met the target, and I told you once we break again, we are going to meet that target. Okay, and look at what happened. Exactly we met that target. But within this one, you have the bigger one. You see the bigger one, the yellow line, okay, which again, it just formed that resistance and it broke out of it. Now that one, if you look at it, the target for that is crap, I can't see here. Let me go on the weekly. Right quick. Let's go. Yeah, on the weekly, the target for that, as you can see, follow that yellow line. Okay, see the yellow line, this one, see that yellow line, the target is 151 thereabout. That's what we have it, which is again goes past the first resistance 125, second resistance 151, exactly like I'm telling you is going to play out. So yeah, if you want to, you can take the trade. If you don't want to, shit, that's your problem. But if you're going to take this trade, please make sure that you scale up your position. That way, if price swings, you are not going to get liquidated. Okay, that is up to you. I'm not your financial advisor. If I didn't have a trade open, that's what I would have done, but I already have my trade, so yeah. That is up to you. Anyways, now let's go look at Bitcoin. I'm still gonna skip Jasmine again today because Jasmine is still not doing the way I wanted to do. Maybe we are waiting for Bitcoin to go up there 110 to 112,000 before you see Jasmine start to pick up again. Although it is picking up a little bit, but not as much. Okay. Anyways, now let's look at Bitcoin. See, I told you. Are you still doubting? Are you still doubting? I told you. After my green line, price is gonna run. The little fight between the leprechaun and his magicius, Trumpicius, is what caused the dip. We are still going. Hey, again, I'm not your financial advisor, but wink, wink, wink. I told you, right? If you would have taken that trade, you will be up by now. Okay? Again, if you pay attention, that my friend that say he doesn't understand how I explain my chart. Everybody has their way of doing things. This is my chart. This is on the 1 hour. Let's go on the 4 hour right quick, and you will see we passed that. When I told you it was going to go down, it did. It went down from my purple line on Tuesday, May 27th. Right now, again, I told you once we go past that line on June the 4th, we are going to go up. Instead, they had a little problem, price drop. And I told you yesterday, and I said, don't look at that. That's a fake out. Now, on the 4 hourly, look, we are approaching my purple line again. But again, price is still going up. See the ribbon? Pay attention to the ribbon. See what the ribbon is doing? Ribbon is turning green. Well, like I told you, by the time we get there, okay, which is June 11 on Wednesday, or a little bit, maybe a little bit before or a little bit after that Wednesday, you are about to see price drop a little bit. But before we get there, it is going to pump. You see, I told you, right? I told you, I don't have the Fibonacci and the ABCs and XYZs or whatever you want to call them, but this is the way I do trade. I don't normally do this, but you guys kept saying that, oh, I'm not giving you those signals, I'm not doing this, I'm not blah, blah, blah. Now I'm giving them to you. So far, please put in the comment below, have I been right? I would love to hear it. I want to hear, have I been right? Okay, again, we are approaching my purple line again. Don't say I didn't warn you. If you are trading, yeah, after you reach that purple line, it may be time to rethink if you want to take some profit on your Bitcoin trade or not. My Bitcoin trade, I'm not doing that. I'm taking my my profit. You know, I'm a long-term trader. This information is for those of you trading on the daily or whatever. Okay, so once we go past that trade, the next one, by the time we start to reach this one, again, wink, wink, 17th, when you get there, price is going to run. That's up to you if you want to take it or not. It will run until we get to this one, Friday the 20th. Okay, so I keep giving you guys this wink wink moments if you want to take them or not. And again, I already marked July because you guys already know why. I am already paying attention to this market this way. Okay, so yeah, I'm not charging you $40, $50 or $100 a month for me to show you that chart. Okay, I'm just throwing it out there because we all have one goal. We want to go from zero to a millionaire status. After you make your money, you become a millionaire, 100,000 years or whatever. If you want to give me money then yes, I will accept it. Right now, I will not accept any money from you because I want to encourage you to invest. Invest in yourself, invest in your own generational wealth. Once you get there, then yes, that's the time for you to probably, hey, MMJ, here, you can have this, or yeah, you can do this. Yeah, that's when I will accept it, not now. Right now, I want to encourage you to invest. Invest in Caspa. Quant. Well, Quanti. Caspi. Okay, you will see. Anyways, now let's go right quick. Let's go look at my positions. Let's see. Are we in Reg City? Let's see. But before we do that, guys, please do not get involved in leverage trading if you don't know what you're doing. Leverage trading is very tempting because you use little money to make big money. It's very tempting, but such is also the risk involved. It's very risky. You can lose your money very easily. So please do not get in leverage trading if you don't know what you're doing. If you're trying to do it, down below I do have Bydfi, Phemex, Margex, and Wix exchange. If you sign up using those links, those guys are going to give you free money. And when I say free money, it's thousands and thousands of dollars if you meet their deposit bonuses. Okay, once you do it, please take $100, $100 or $2, and practice. Because if you don't practice, my friends, I'd rather miss an entry before I lose money. I don't like losing money. But if you don't practice, you are going to lose all your money. And you will be in the best corner in Reg City. That's where you're going to be. Don't say I did not warn you. Because again, please, you need to practice once you get this money. Okay? Anyways, now, let's go right quick. Let's go look at my positions. First, we're going to start with my Bydfi. There, you guys already know I am trading King Kaspa and Quanti. Quanti, as you can see, yeah, see? At the end of May, my position was sitting at what, $6,000, Look at it today. My position, I am up 15,200. Again, I'm telling you, I am going to show you these accounts, each of them in 6 figures, and you will see. Okay, so today we're sitting up at 15,200. Looking at our contracts, you will see that, yeah, on Caspa, I am still almost the same, 54% down, which is 4,800. On Quant, I am up 24%, which is $2,500. Yeah, we're going. Next but not the least, we're gonna look at Phemex. On Phemex, you guys know I am trading King Kaspa, and at the same time, I am also trading the Japanese Bitcoin, Jasmine. See, I told you. See, these people are giving free money everywhere. Look at that. If you sign up using the link, you are eligible for this. Anyways, now, if you go there, let's X this out. Come on, I don't want to join. Get out. Anyways, right now, you can see my overall is sitting at $8,200. Okay, if you go look at my contracts, you will see that on my Jasmine, I am he's doing way better. I was 75% down yesterday. Today, I am still down 73%. Okay, which is $8,000. If you look at my Caspa, I am almost break even, which is $21. Okay, yeah. Everything is going according to plan. You will see. Anyways, now we go for the last one, which is on Wix Exchange. On Wix Exchange, you guys know I am trading King Kaspa, and I am in a competition. This friend of mine, he said Crashilandia was better, and I told him no, Quant was better to trade. So right now, yeah, we put the same exact amount of money, 1,300 each, and let's see. Okay, 50x and whatever. He's trading at 20x because he's so afraid. You know, it's not that he's afraid. It's his way of trading. Me, I am trading at 50x, so I put the same amount of money. So far, you can see my overall, I am sitting at $6,900. Okay, and if you go look at my contracts, you will see that first of all, on my Quant, I am up 228%, which is $3,000. And on my Caspa, I am up 11%, which is $215. Everything is going according to plan. You can pause these things if you want, because here you will see I am trading at 50x. I am a very aggressive trader. Okay. Anyways, now you can see they're giving free money. Look at that. These guys are giving $30,000 if you sign up using the links below. That's what they're doing. So yeah, it's up to you. Anyways, so let's go back here. As you can see, I have 6 positions in 3 different exchanges. Therefore, again, psychology of money. At the end of this run, I will show you each of these exchanges and you will see 6 figures. That's my goal. 6 figures on each. Okay? Do not say you guys have been part of my journey and you guys have seen my ups and downs. There were times those positions were even down 2-3 grand. I don't remember. You guys do remember. And I told you it didn't bother me because I know where the market was going. Now, July, August, we're almost there. You guys are either you have already started seeing it, right? Look at my positions, how they start to go up. You've already started to see it. But anyways, guys, thank you very much for watching my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe. I'm trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. Don't forget to like and comment. I am very interested in knowing what you think about everything that we talked about today. Are you going to miss that opportunity again? Or Quanti, Caspi, yeah, right there. I don't know about you, but yeah, that is where the money is. Okay, not your financial advisor, but that is what I am doing. Okay, and don't forget to share so that other millionaire-minded attitude like you and yours truly, we all can see these videos and the family can grow. Again, you never know what you are going to learn from a stranger, right? Man, anyways, excuse me. Yeah, I'm trying to do, I don't know. You guys want to, we can do a live, but I have to schedule it. Maybe I'll let you guys know tomorrow when we are going to have a live talk, you know, when I get back to my place, not here. The internet here really sucks. Anyways, again, until I see you in my next one, please take very good care of yourselves, okay? Bye-bye.